BBC. Huh?
No, we're from YouTube.
From
America.
America.
Florida.
Mama America.
Join us as we get a look behind the scenes at how these delicious pies are made.
Hello, I'm Stadiou, and I welcome you at Mom. Cheese pie.
This is the traditional cheese pie.
Yeah.
Look at all that dough. This is just
Every morning from 5 a.m. Vasilis with his assistant.
yeah. So, yeah.
Ξύπνα, πάρτι έχουμε. Guilty pleasure nights, pizza party.
Here we have feta cheese.
Oh, that's feta.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
See
Love
how
feta.
fast it's doing.
It is such an operation. So that's feta, and then he's putting it inside of that dough. It's delicious feta right there. Your hands must get tired.
Έτσι είναι όπως τα λες.
Guilty pleasure nights, pizza party. Παρασκευή 10 Νοεμβρίου στο Fast Club.
All day, all night.
All day, all night. You must dream about it, right?
It's a nightmare for him.
Oh,
Direct from the oven.
wow. And what is this? Is this spinach here?
No, this is burrata
Cheese
with
pie.
cheese and burrata with vanilla cream.
Oh, it
With rocks
smells
inside,
so good. So you've been making this dough for 20 years?
Φτιάχνεις αυτές τις πίτσες.
Γιατί με παίρνεις τώρα, γιατί με παίρνεις, τι δεν θέλω. Θέλω να παίρνεις τα μούτρα.
Yes, 20 years now.
20 years. This is amazing. And this is, he's going to make the spinach right now.
Yes.
That was delicious.
you're
And
gonna
it's
see
fresh
how-
spinach.
Yes, of course. And you're gonna see how you will open the
Yeah, let me get.
thin pasta.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. I don't want to be in his way here. This is an art.
Yeah.
Now, the history of this dough, how long has this been in the Greek culture? Do you know?
From the ancient
Ancient
Greece.
days, yeah.
Yes. And now the best burrata in Greece is at Ceres, North Greece,
Okay.
near to Thessaloniki.
Deliciousness. Oh my goodness, and it's all
It
fresh.
was,
Spinach
fresh
pie, madam.
spinach,
Spinach pie.
spinach with onions.
I had it yesterday and it was the best spinach pie I've ever had in my life.
Just see how it's made.
It's amazing. Look at that. And how many do you make a day?
Around 500.
This is incredible. Look how thin that is.
Vasilis is one of the few people who know that part.
Now, can you do this?
No, like this. Αν μπορώ να το κάνω και εγώ όπως I try once and on my way to do it, I was from there to here and I try. I destroy the pasta. Don't worry.
It's just
Μπορούμε να έχουμε και με κρέας.
it's the freshest spinach that
Yeah.
I've had. It was just
Greek
absolutely-
spinach.
Do you get your produce from the market?
Yeah.
We went there yesterday
Yeah,
after
yeah.
we left here. That was
From
an
that market,
operation.
yeah.
All the fish and the meat and the
The fresh
vegetables, and
vegetables.
it's just incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow.